And so on that note, the National Weather Service spent this morning surveying storm damage near Bellflower, and if confirmed as a tornado, it would still be the 8th tornado in central Illinois on Monday. And then a farm was damaged between Bellflower and Lotus before 6 on Tuesday evening. The homeowners were aware of the storm at the time but were not injured, thankfully, as it passed on by.
We were watching WCIA, and also our phones went off, and it showed the red area was right between Bellflower and Lotus. And about that time, I went back and I looked out the south windows, and I ran and told Bob, I said, it's coming. It looked like a wall cloud, and it was picking up dirt.
Now, as you take a look at this video, the damage was confined to a machine shed behind the home. Parts of that building were thrown over a half-a mile into the field. But we have not yet received official word from the National Weather Service on the strength of this possible tornado. Rebecca Albin is also the mother of State Trooper Ryan Albin, who was killed, sadly, in an on-duty crash on I-74. That was near Farmer City back in 2017. And so some of Trooper Albin's belongings were stored in that machine shed.